name is Ray.
My name is Lisette.
We just wanted to share our experience. We were interested in a home for a while. We looked at a couple of locations, and one of the things that really struck us was, for Pulte was the actual location itself. So then when we started deciding getting more serious about it, we decided to take the next step and actually go and actually view when the models started to open up.
Yeah, well, I would probably counteract that and say that we wanted to look at things, but when we met with Brandon, it was fantastic. He made our visit, we just walked in, had a conversation. He showed us plans, built something for us, and it was just from there, we were super excited and we were like, yes, yes. We picked out a lot, we walked to the lot, and before we knew it, we were holding up a sold sign.
Sure. Yeah, it all happened, it happened at our pace. We wanted something, and just the timing of it was actually even better. Whether it was, the 6 months, 7 months out or whatever, it was perfect for us. We really enjoyed the process itself. Once we actually made the decision to go for it, we enjoyed what was next and what was after that. The communication I thought was great. Again, yeah, to echo what you're saying, Brandon said communication was awesome. And then later on, once we actually started with the actual process, meeting with Becky for the very first time was quite nice. She was awesome.
Very
she was
informative.
calm, kind of kept us at ease as to what to expect, maybe when to expect certain things. So we just kind of let the process go and enjoy the ride, enjoy the process. At least that's what I thought.
And it was extremely enjoyable. I mean, the pictures that were shared kept us up to date, always with the progress. And I mean, it was even before time frame. We were notified July, August, and it was more towards July. So everything was just fantastic. I mean, and we were just so joyous to walk into our home for the very first time and just to see it. And it's such a blessing. We love our home. I mean, Pulte has been fantastic, Brandon and Becky, and I couldn't say thank you enough
Yes,
for everything.
I agree 100%.